Today I'm replacing the low beam headlight bulb on a 2008 Volkswagen Beetle. First step, you get inside here and you can see on the headlight carrier there's a little sticker that indicates a rotation. Right underneath that there's a little hex. It's very small, it's hard to see, but it's right there. And use a long 1/4" extension, a 5mm socket, and there it goes. The sticker will tell you you want to turn it clockwise on this side to unlock it. So turn it clockwise, and then it'll click, rotate a little bit more, and it stops. You don't want to go too hard. It's mostly just all plastic stuff in there that you're working against. That's a wire clip that rotates on a plastic ramp, so you can't go too crazy on it. Once that's like that, you can just grab this housing and it's loose, so you just pull it straight out. Alright, I just removed it. Once you pull out a little bit and you get a little bit of clearance, I wanted to pull this out to show you. There's this little spring clip here on the back, right here. That has to be pushed down from the outside. You rotate that, and then you can pull it out a little bit, and then you get in here, and underneath this reservoir there's a little finger. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe you can see it better if I do that. Well, that's the that has to be pushed down slightly also to release it the rest of the way. So now that it's out, you can kind of inspect, make sure nothing's damaged. That's that little cam you were turning to loosen the housing. And here's the headlight. So straightforward job as far as replacing the bulb in the headlight. Once the headlight's out of the car, you just undo this clip, and then undo that clip on the top, and then this whole thing comes right off, and then there are your bulbs right there. So just stick new bulbs in it and push it back in the same way. You don't have to worry about that spring clip when you're reinstalling it. All you have to worry about is that little cam gear. You turn it the opposite way. The sticker indicates you'll turn it clockwise, or I'm sorry, counterclockwise to lock the cam back into place. So that's it. Thanks.